Welcome back, everyone. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to delete categories in WordPress, whether you need to clear out one old category or batch remove several at once. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to tidy up your site and keep your content organized, which makes managing your posts way easier and helps your visitors navigate smoothly. Let's dive right in so you can get your site looking sharp. First up, let's tackle deleting a single category. Start by logging in to your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens behind the scenes. Every edit or tweak you make starts here. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a section called Posts. Just hover your mouse over that and you'll notice a submenu pop out. Click on Categories. The Categories page displays a neatly organized list of all the categories you've added to your site. Maybe you've got a few old ones there that aren't being used anymore, or you're simply rearranging your content. Either way, find the category you want to remove. Take your time scanning that list if you have quite a few. Sometimes categories can sneak by if you gave them a similar name. Now here comes an important detail. Instead of just clicking, hover your mouse over the category name you want to delete. As you do, a few options should appear just beneath the name, and one of those will be a red delete link. Go ahead and click that. WordPress is smart and will pop up a quick prompt, just double-checking that you really want to remove it. This is your safety net. If you had second thoughts, you could cancel right here. But if you've chosen the right category, confirm the delete. That's it, the category is now permanently removed from your site. Keep in mind, this doesn't delete any posts that were in that category, they'll just be uncategorized. So don't worry about losing content. What if you need to clean house and get rid of multiple categories all at once? WordPress makes this really simple too. Head back to your dashboard and again navigate to Posts, then Categories. This time, instead of hovering and deleting one by one, take a look at the checkboxes next to each category name. You can tick as many as you want. Maybe you're rebranding, merging topics, or just tidying up old clutter. Once you've selected all the categories you want to delete, look above the list for the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. It's a powerful little tool. Just select Delete from the list. Finally, click the Apply button right next to the dropdown. And WordPress will process your request by removing all those categories at once. Depending on how many you're deleting, this might take a few moments. Don't worry if your list flickers or refreshes, that just means WordPress is doing its job. Deleting unwanted categories keeps your site streamlined and focused, making it easier for you and your visitors to find and manage content. Remember, your posts themselves aren't deleted, they just lose their old category grouping. If you ever change your mind, you can always create new categories or reassign posts later. I hope this quick walkthrough helps you keep your WordPress site neat and tidy. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any hiccups, just drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.